Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share plugin traffic and money making system. Easy Cash Automated Web Income, the new plugin traffic and money making system for 2023. 100% on autopilot. As seen on Google, MSN, Yahoo, AOL, Bing, YouTube, Squidoo, Twitter. Get traffic and earn a monthly recurring income in 2023 without any work involved. Dear Internet Marketer, the inflation is here, and there is nothing we can do about it. We are all holding tight on our money. We all need an extra income to make it going and to pay our bills these days. What can you do? Getting an extra job could be the answer, but not for all. What if I told you that there may be a way for you to make a little, or more, money without working more? Would you be interested? With this simple program you will be able to earn an extra income on 100% autopilot, and it only takes 5 minutes, max, to set up running, then sit back and watch the money coming in, no joke. Let me explain in a few words how it works and how simple it is to set up. Step 1, join using the subscribe button below. Step 2: you will get instant access to the members area. Step 3: just submit your plugin traffic. Net affiliate URL. After doing step 1 and 2, join the affiliate program. When you are a member you will get instant approval. Then do step 3. That's all you need to do. I told you, 5 minutes to set up. Then here is how you will make money 100% hands-free. Here is what we will do now. After you have submitted your affiliate URL, we will take over and do our job. No more work on your end. We will advertise your affiliate URL all over the net, via email marketing to our own private email list, with thousands of subscribers. We will also promote your URL on social medias, safe lists, traffic exchanges, etc. etc. I am sure you get the idea of how it works. It's so simple to use. Join, submit URL, get traffic, make money. But here comes the best part. As this is a brand new traffic and money making opportunity, the cost for a monthly membership is only $10, and imagine this, with only 2 sales your monthly membership is free, and every sale after this goes directly to you, each and every month. You will earn $7 in recurring income from every new member signing up from your affiliate URL, and you do nothing. Of course you can speed up your earnings by do some advertising on your own, while we also advertise for you. This will be the easiest money you will ever make, without sitting in front of a PC all day long. But that's not all. The members area is also loaded with tons of advertising tools you can use to advertise any website you want. A few questions and answers. Q. Can I really make money with this? A. The short answer is yes. We will advertise your affiliate link all over the net, to help you the best we can. You can speed up the process by do a little advertising yourself, but that's optional. Q. Can I submit my affiliate URL more than one time? A. You are allowed to submit your affiliate URL one time only. Q. Can I have more than one account? A. Yes, but we don't recommend it. Q. How long will it take before I will see some earnings? A. That depends on how heavy we advertise on a given day, but traffic will start coming to your affiliate page within 24 hours. Q. How can I see I'm getting traffic? A. You can submit a tracking link instead of using the original affiliate URL, or you can see the stats in your Warrior Plus account. If you want to know more about this product, please check my description link. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe to the Get Update.